When your car won't accelerate and the check engine light illuminates, this indicates a serious problem within one of four critical vehicle systems. Modern vehicles use advanced diagnostic systems like OBD3 to provide specific fault codes that help identify the exact problem location. The first common cause involves engine management system failures. Sensors like the mass airflow sensor, throttle position sensor, and oxygen sensors monitor critical engine parameters. Fuel system problems are another major cause. A failing fuel pump cannot maintain proper pressure, while clogged injectors and blocked filters restrict fuel flow to the engine. Ignition system problems can severely impact acceleration. Faulty spark plugs cause misfires, while failing ignition coils prevent proper spark timing and intensity. Finally, exhaust system blockages create back pressure that limits engine performance. A failing catalytic converter is the most common culprit, restricting exhaust flow and reducing power output. Understanding these four main system categories helps narrow down the root cause when your vehicle experiences acceleration loss with an illuminated check engine light. The diagnostic process for acceleration problems follows a systematic four-step approach. Each step builds upon the previous one to identify the root cause efficiently. The first step uses an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. These codes provide specific information about which system is malfunctioning and help narrow down the problem area. Visual inspection reveals obvious problems like corroded connections, damaged wiring, or loose components. This step often identifies simple fixes that can save time and money. Performance testing measures critical system parameters. Fuel pressure testing ensures adequate fuel delivery, while compression testing verifies engine mechanical condition. Real-world examples help illustrate common problems. Toyota Camry hybrids from 2019-2023 experienced acceleration loss due to hybrid battery cooling failures, while Ford EcoBoost engines suffered from carbon buildup on intake valves. Regular maintenance prevents many acceleration problems. Oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, air filter replacement every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, and fuel system cleaning help maintain optimal performance.